Microsoft Forms is a survey tool that's built into Office 365. To access Forms, open up your Office 365 dashboard menu. You can also click the waffle menu from any Office application and access Forms from there. In Microsoft Forms, you can create a form or a quiz. A form is a survey that is used to collect data, and a quiz can be graded in a point system. In this demonstration, we're going to create a new form. To get started, click the title box to name your survey. I'm going to call mine Demo RSVP Form. The description box is a good place to provide any instructions or describe your survey. Click the Add New button to add an element into your survey. You can choose an option from this list, or sometimes Microsoft will offer recommended questions. For this demonstration, I'm going to add my questions in manually. For my first question in this survey, I'm going to add a text box option to ask for the person's name. This is an important question for my survey. I want to make sure that it is answered, so I'm going to check the box next to required. The next question I'm going to add to my survey will be multiple choice. You can type your options in manually, or you can click here to add the suggested options. To add additional options, click the Add Option button. I will keep this on to keep this question required. My next question will allow the user to choose a date. Microsoft Forms also has a rating feature. You can choose to use stars or numbers, and you can set the scale from 2 to 10. The last question I'm going to add to my demo survey is an optional text area. I'm going to turn on long answers so they can type a paragraph if needed. For each question in your survey, there is a button to copy, delete, or move the question up or down in your survey. Now that our survey is finished, we can click Theme to change the color scheme. Scroll down and choose a theme idea or a color that you like. Click the Preview button to see what your survey looks like. This message will change based on your share settings. When you're finished building your survey, click the Share button. For this demo, I'm going to allow anyone with the link to be able to respond. Click the Copy button so we can copy and paste the link. Now that the survey is live, I'm going to speed this up and submit a few responses. This concludes our tutorial on how to build a survey in Microsoft Forms. Please be sure to check out the next part of this video series on viewing responses. Thank you for watching.